Hey guys, so I have something to put you guys onto today. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but they sent me some covers in the mail for, I feel weird saying it like in a video, so I think we all know what I'm talking about here. But anyways, I've been wearing these almost every single day since I got them. I'm absolutely obsessed. I literally hate wearing bras, especially in the summertime. I just never can find bras that like fit me properly and that are comfortable and that just work. And so when they asked to send like these to me, I was like, absolutely yes, because especially in the summertime, there's like so many things that I want to wear that I can't wear a bra with. So I definitely was in need of some. And so yeah, I've literally been wearing these like almost every day. There's so many outfits that these go really well with, and so I'm wearing them right now, and you literally can't even see them. Like, you can't even tell that I'm wearing them at all. I got some from Amazon last year and you could totally see them under my clothes and it just did not look good at all. But these are like so seamless, and I'm wearing like a white dress right now that's really like thin. So it's a pretty good product that I would say I would highly recommend this. It's especially perfect for summertime if you have like little tops that you like to wear or lots of like spaghetti strap or whatnot. So I definitely recommend these. I'm totally obsessed. Thank you so much, Busties, for sending these to me. I am in love.